Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs with cream cheese. Boil eggs until firm, cool them quickly, peel, and halve neatly. Scoop yolks into a bowl, add softened cream cheese, a touch of mayo, mustard, and seasonings. Blend until smooth and taste for balance. Pipe or spoon filling back into whites, garnish with paprika and chives, and chill briefly before serving for best texture and flavor. Make the filling silky by ensuring cream cheese is fully softened before mixing with yolks. Start with small amounts of mayo or milk and add more only if needed to reach a creamy consistency. Taste and tweak seasoning as you go, adding more mustard or lemon for zip. For a refined look, transfer the filling to a piping bag and use a star tip to create attractive swirls on each egg half. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks that feel great and include a lifetime warranty, which is almost as comforting as a perfect deviled egg. I wear them in the kitchen while I cook, and they keep me smiling through long prep sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavors by mixing in dill, smoked paprika, or a pinch of curry powder for a twist. For crunch and savor, stir in chopped pickles, capers, or crisp bacon bits. Try garnishing each egg with chopped herbs or a tiny sprinkle of lemon zest to cut through richness. These simple swaps let you tailor deviled eggs for picnics, parties, or cozy gatherings, keeping the base method consistent and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.